This is how I made custom keycaps. Okay, first thing I need to do is buy some keycaps. So I did that. I got them cheap off Amazon, so they're not the best quality, but they'll do. Let's take a look at these. I didn't really know what I wanted this keyboard to look like, but I knew I wanted it to look somewhat like this. Now let's get drawing. Now we're going to use a paint pen to draw all the lines. Now it's time to erase all the lines left by the pencil. Now it's time to prepare the keycap. You're going to need sandpaper and your keycap. Sand the keycap against the sandpaper to get rid of any imperfections. Now you're going to need tape, a clear coat, and your keycap. Put your keycap on a piece of tape, then grab a wooden board. Put a rolled up piece of tape on the wooden board. Then grab your piece of tape with your keycap on it and put it on your wooden board with your piece of tape on it. Then go outside with your clear coat and your wooden board. Spray the clear coat on the keycap. Now wait 20 minutes. After 20 minutes has passed, take your keycap off the piece of tape. Now sand the bottom of the keycap again. Now find the key that matches your custom keycap and take it off. Now put your custom key on the switch. I also made some WASD keycaps in the process.